Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to change your password in your Facebook application. So for this, you need to download your Facebook application in your mobile phone firstly. I have already downloaded my application here, as you can see in my screen. So after you downloaded and install Facebook, you need to simply click on the Facebook app, and which will take you to your home page. And when you get into your home page, at the top right of Facebook, you can see there's 3-line section. So just click on this. This is the menu section, and scroll down where you can see there is setting and privacy. So just click on setting and privacy, and in setting and privacy, click on settings again. And here you will see at accounts there is another 3 option, that is your personal and account information, password and security, and payments. So just simply click on password and security, and now here you can go a little down where there is a login section where it asks you to change password if you want. So just click on change password, and now they'll ask you for your current password provided with your current password that you've been using for the Facebook. And after that, you need to create a new password and again retype it for confirmation. And now just click on update password here. And after you've clicked on update password, your password will be changed. And after it is changed, you will also again get 2 options, that is you can either review other devices or stay logged in. So you can continue with either. If you have any doubts or if you're not feeling safe, then you can just simply log out of other devices. And if you don't want, then you can just log in. I'm going to stay logged in to other devices and click on the continue. And in this way your password is changed, and I hope this video helped you to change your password in Facebook. Thank you.